sometimes wonder, where are your tools? No, not these tools, your ClinCheck tools. And why you don't have the same ones on every computer you use? Here are the answers in this week's clear aligner tip in less than 2 minutes. Let's start the timer. Finally found some time to work on your ClinCheck. You sit down, relax, open your ClinCheck, and boom! There are no tools available. You tell yourself, did I pay my bills to Invisalign? Don't worry about that. Your tools are all there. Align didn't take them away, but still, worry about that. Not paying the bills, I mean. I told you 1,000,000 times the check is in the mail. You can customize your view to have the tools you usually use. My preference is to have them all. I want everything. Especially if I'm working on a desktop, I have the space, so why not having them all in there? Let's make a tool party. If you open your ClinCheck and it's like this, not even one tool is there. Go on the upper right side and click on Tools. This opens a new panel where you can see all the tools. You have now two options. You can click on the tool you want to use and that's it. It activates or deactivates the tool you selected. Nah, you don't want this. Instead, go back to the panel and click on Customize Toolbar. At the top you can read, following tools will be shown on the toolbar above. Now, every time you click on a box, the tool appears on your toolbar. This is like magic. What is nice about that is your ClinCheck on that computer will now by default be set like this, meaning when you close it and open a new patient, the customization will stay customized. In future clear tips, we will get through all the tools one by one. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell, that way you won't miss anything. While you're at it, give us the thumbs up if you like this video. That's it for today, and time's up!